Legends, what's going on? Hope everyone's well. Hope everyone's smashing the crypto market at the moment. Today, I just thought I would do a few charts on some assets, and let's go dive into this and see what we can see. Right, so right now we're looking at BNB. Okay, so if we jump to a higher time frame, we are now above this resistance level. Okay, all we sort of have to do is sort of get past this one, this main point here. But right now, we're actually holding really well above here. And as we can see here, okay, this EMA, which is the average value of this price, is now pushing up past this old resistance. So if price holds here, we should be able to get a nice bit of a push of at least 14%, right? And depending on how fast it moves here, then we'll see that consolidation up here, right? So all we're looking for is a big consolidation, right? So in through here like this, and then once we consolidate, build that pressure like a spring, okay? And then it wants to explode. So markets will expand, then contract. All the time, markets expand, right? Which is a trending market. And then they'll contract and they'll form some sort of pattern, some sort of squeeze pattern, right? Triangle or rectangle or some sort of downward triangle like that mainly into like an area of value of what we're looking for is a support area. And then, we push back out. So that's what we're sort of looking for here, which we are already consolidating on the daily. Let's check out that 4 hour. We can see here we're consolidating, not the best, not the most perfect, but it is going pretty much sideways. And we're at that bottom of the range. So ideally, we want to take that next move as close to the bottom as possible for that next leg up. And as traders, we don't know what the markets are going to do. However, markets will do the same thing, over and over again. So high probability is trying to get as low as possible here, taking that next leg up. So BNB is looking really nice. Let's check out Ethereum. Same sort of thing, right? We are at a support level here. We've broken out of this wedge or out of this rectangle or squeeze pattern or consolidation period, whatever you want to call it. It's all the same psychology behind the scenes, right? Markets are indecisive. People are building positions through here. Then we took that next leg out, right? So we can see here, really crucial point. Why I like this area? Because one, a big move has initiated from here, okay? So there should be buyers in this area and we are holding. So hopefully we can take that next leg, back to these sort of similar areas. And that would be a really nice move. If we're holding spot, same sort of thing, like a 25% move, which is a really nice move. Okay. Takes a long time to make money, or 25% in the banks, or even in real estate and things like that if you don't know what you're doing. So we've got Ethereum, really nice area. Let's check out DOT. Same sort of thing, right? Forming this nice sideways pattern. We're just looking for the daily to push out. Okay, so DOT is waiting for this EMA to push this out. And this will be a really nice move from here, another 30%, because there's no gap. There's nothing in here. So we've got like nothing stopping it really. We may get a little bit of a sticking point through, like this area or this area, right? Because we've got a support level, resistance level here. But ideally, like this is our main level here. So like a 29% move would be a really nice push. And, we are coming into a bull run, so I'm expecting that we go a lot higher. Because if you look on the weekly time frame, we actually called this bottom. Was pretty easy one, like far out. This moved 1,300% here. We can keep things simple. Okay, 1,300%. Buyers are going to be in this area. It's the most logical place to buy this asset. So we're right at the very bottom of here. And if we can get to even that $11 mark, from where we are now, it's 130%. If we got in like our community, it's, there's 180%. pushing out. There's 460% to this next major level. If we break this $11.50 mark, man, there's not much stopping it from like pushing from here to here really quickly. Okay, so yeah, DOT is a nice one. Let's check out Sol. Same thing, guys. Like, look, markets expand, markets go sideways. I always talk about this in our training. Markets will expand, right? And then they'll go sideways for a bit, then they'll expand again like that. Okay, so up, sideways, up. Usually in the direction of trend will continue, momentum theory. Oh. So Sol is a really good one for potentially a long-term hold, depending on your strategies and things like that. But I really like Sol at the moment. We're forming that nice squeeze pattern up here. So we're just looking for that, the lowest entry point, the lowest point here. Let's see if this area holds, and then we can take that next leg up. Let's check out Gala. Same thing, right? We've just broken that downtrend. Market's trend, market goes sideways, usually continue down, but we have got this area of value that holds it. Lows, extreme lows, right? So, there's going to be a lot of money to be made. So we've broken market structure. Downtrend sideways, usually continue in the same way of momentum. However, we've broken to the top side. We've broken a very key level, waiting for those EMAs to push out to take it up to that next level. So this is nearly 100% move right here. Price, bang, 75%. From there to the top of here or somewhere in this vicinity, right? And that's just the start. Then we're looking at, the highs there, 166%. So really, really good time to start looking. Very logical time, very logical place to buy. Okay, so Gala. And let's check out Zig. I really like Zig. We've spoke about this yesterday. We've broken out of this consolidation phase now, and it's off to the races, right? We've been in this zone for nearly 248 days, and we've just broken out. So sideways market, big accumulation, right? So this should theoretically run. Let's have a look. Let's do like a fib extension on this, right? Like, so we could get to that 22-cent mark, and then, another key level is the 30-cent mark. So would be a really nice move once we continue. If we wanted to start right from the bottom, because theoretically, like, this is one big push, we're looking at, your 35 cents area of value here. So, but key thing is, once we're in price discovery, market structure and trend, okay? These are all theoretical, but market structure will keep us on the right side of the trend, and just identifying that bullish market structure, right? That's how I like to trade things when we're in price discovery: EMAs and market structure and continuation patterns. Until that market structure changes on the daily or higher time frame, I stay in and I just ride it. I just ride it all the way out. Okay, so hopefully this helps. Hopefully you guys can catch some of these. And yeah, let's go and make some money.